Hi there guys, Bioinformatics guy here with another video, and this is a bit of different video. It is a book giveaway. This is the book Bioinformatics with Python, and it's open right over here on Amazon. And let me show you what's inside this book. We can go through the table of the contents. You can see that in this chapter the basic installation process is explained. Then you will get to know about NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib, which are really important for bioinformatics. After that you can explore next-gen sequencing topic. Since next-gen sequencing topic is really hot these days, you have a chapter on advanced NGS data processing. Then we have a chapter on working with genomes, downloading the data, handling the data, and doing the pre-processing, like dealing with the low quality. And we have another chapter on population genetics. We have phylogenetics, and then we have how to use the PDB, protein data bank. Then we have different really cool bioinformatics pipelines. This Nextflow pipeline is really nice, and I myself have used this several times and it works really good. You can work with single cell analysis and different kind of assays with this Nextflow pipeline. You also have a chapter on machine learning, in which you will be using scikit-learn, running the PCA and doing all that kind of stuff. And then we have a few advanced chapters as well. If you want to win a copy of this book, I will be giving away 3 ebooks. All you have to do is to subscribe my channel and write down in the comments interested. Along with that, you should also mention the region where you are living these days. And that's pretty much it. I will be announcing 3 winners in the first week of November. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you around in the next video.